Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect in Canva. So I'm actually just going to go to the app section first, and I'm going to type in Magic Morph. Then I'm going to select it. I'm going to select the app first, and here actually I'm going to select text first, never mind. And I'm just going to type in the word floral. You can type in anything you want, of course, and I'm going to change the font as well. To this one maybe. Okay, then I will select the Magic Morph under apps, and I'm going to select the element in your design, which is this one. I'm going to type in flower, pink, greenery, peonies, I don't know. And then I'm going to select Magic Morph and see what it comes up with. It does take a few seconds to load, so just be patient with it. It's just going to create a really cool text effect. You can also do this with elements as well, so just keep that in mind. Just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, never mind. I was about to pause it, but here I'm just going to select the one that I like. You can also create again, but I think I'm just going to go with this one. Whoops, and I'm just going to select it, and then it's going to be pasted to the image here. If you don't like it, you can create again, but I'm pretty pleased with it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!